To have Dr. Thomas Bottiglieri joining the M2MA advisory board is another huge addition, especially on the back of Dr. Michael Schwartz. In terms of medical governance and also medical expertise now, especially around concussion, Dr. Bottiglieri has lived and breathed this issue throughout his life. I encourage firstly everybody to read the press release and to follow him on social media, check out his website, and again, find out as much information about this man as possible. Because he's passionate about this issue. Right? He wants to share the story and the importance of this information that could protect athletes or just general athlete and individual well-being amongst society because he cares. And again, in terms of people we want on our advisory board, this is so vital when you're taking on such a big mission to create something really that's never been done before, to integrate AI into combat sports, to make it smarter, make it safer, protect the athletes,